Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Scooter Suitcase is probably one of the most innovative travel companions for young adventurers, transforming tedious journeys into exciting escapades for children aged 3 to 5. Imagine your little one zipping through the airport or train station with their own ride-on suitcase, filled with their favorite toys and essentials, making travel less of a chore and more of a thrilling experience. This isn't just luggage, it's a portable playground that keeps kids entertained and engaged, reducing pre-travel meltdowns and ensuring a smoother, more enjoyable trip for the entire family. Number 5. KIDDIETOTES 3D Hardshell Luggage Scooter. Introducing our 3D Hardshell Luggage Scooter, designed for kids. It's lightweight and perfect for your little ones to ride on. This luggage is built to last with a strong, thick exterior that resists water and scratches. It's designed to absorb impact and keep its shape. It's lightweight and easy for children to manage, whether they're riding, carrying, or pulling it. The LED light-up wheels add a fun, smooth rolling experience. Keep all their belongings secure and organized with internal cross straps and tear-proof compartments. The heavy-duty zipper ensures durability for repeated use. With easy tilt steering and a slip-proof deck, scooting is safe and fun. It easily converts into a conventional roller bag, making travel enjoyable for kids and easier for you. This luggage meets all flight size requirements and fits in overhead bins. It's TSA and IATA approved for worry-free air travel. What we like? This Scooter Suitcase is built to last with a durable, impact-absorbing exterior. The light-up wheels add an extra element of fun for kids. If you're looking for a travel companion that can withstand the rigors of travel and keep your child entertained, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? The scooter is easy to assemble and the kids love it. It's a great way to keep kids entertained while traveling. The suitcase is sturdy and holds a good amount of stuff. Number 4. Bioworld Pokemon Youth Rolling Luggage. Embark on exciting journeys with this officially licensed Pokemon rolling luggage. It's designed for young fans, featuring beloved characters. Crafted with a durable hardshell exterior, this luggage is built to withstand the rigors of travel. Your belongings will stay protected on every trip. Navigate busy terminals and city streets with ease. Its smooth rolling wheels and retractable handle make moving around a breeze. Keep everything neat and tidy inside. Valet straps ensure your items stay secure and organized throughout your travels. Add an extra layer of fun to your travels. This unique piece of luggage features a built-in scooter for an enjoyable and convenient way to get around. It's the ultimate travel companion for any young Pokemon enthusiast. Combine practicality with the magic of Pokemon for unforgettable adventures. What we like? For the ultimate Pokemon fan, this luggage scooter is a dream come true. Its vibrant character design and the fun scooter feature make travel an adventure. If your child is obsessed with Pikachu and friends, this is the perfect way to make their journeys exciting. What people say? My 7-year-old was able to scoot along in the airport without fussing about being tired. It's well built and sturdy. The build quality is solid, easy to fold up and down, and doesn't scuff. A must-need for parents on the go at the airport. The suitcase portion fits way more than we anticipated. He easily fit in 4 days of clothes. Number 3. Bioworld Paw Patrol Scooter Luggage. Get ready for exciting journeys with this officially licensed Paw Patrol scooter luggage. It features your child's favorite characters, bringing fun to every trip. This innovative 2-in-1 design combines the scooter with storage. It's easy to transport thanks to its fold-down kick plate and retractable handle. Watch them light up the path. The wheels on this scooter add a dynamic and fun element, making travel exciting for kids. Inside, there's plenty of room for all their essentials. Compression straps help keep belongings secure and organized, so nothing gets lost. Measuring 20.5 inches high, this is ideal for children aged 3 and up. It's the perfect companion for their adventures. Please note, this product contains small parts and presents a choking hazard. It is recommended for children 3 years and older. What we like? This Paw Patrol scooter luggage is perfect for young adventurers who love the show. The light-up wheels add a dynamic touch, and the 2-in-1 design offers both storage and a fun ride. If your child is a fan of the Paw Patrol crew and you want to make travel more engaging for them, this is an excellent option. What people say. The quality is excellent and durable. The scooter mode is fine. Number 2. Hurtle 3-wheeled scooter for kids. Watch as the wheels light up with colorful flashing LEDs as you ride. It's a fun way to make your journey exciting and stand out from the crowd. Enjoy versatility with a comfortable seat for cruising or a foot pad for standing. You can switch between sitting and standing as you gain confidence. The handlebar adjusts to 4 different heights, ensuring a perfect fit for riders of all ages. It's designed to grow with you from toddler years up to 14. Experience a smooth ride on our wide, anti-slip deck that fits both feet comfortably. The gliding wheels handle various surfaces with ease. Learn to balance and steer effortlessly using the lean-to-steer technology. It's a fun way to develop coordination and control. We stand behind our products with 65 years of trust and USA-based servicing. You can rely on us for lasting support and quality. What we like. This scooter offers a unique sit or stand design with excellent stability thanks to its 3 wheels. The adjustable handlebar ensures it grows with your child. If you have a younger child who needs a stable ride or you want a scooter that can adapt to different stages of development, this is a great pick. What people say. The scooter part is easy to fold and unfold. It is a good size for a carry-on, and the kids love riding on it. The suitcase is sturdy and holds a good amount of stuff for a weekend trip. Number 1. Rockland Jr. My first Hardside spinner luggage. Get ready for exciting journeys with this fun and durable luggage. It's designed to make travel easy and enjoyable for your little ones. Crafted from a lightweight yet tough polycarbonate shell, it can withstand the rigors of travel. It's easy to carry and built to last. With adjustable telescoping handles, it's comfortable for both parents and kids to maneuver. The Easy Roll 360-degree spinner wheels make gliding through airports a breeze. The interior is fully lined, and the rubber zipper pulls are designed for little hands to grip easily. Packing and unpacking has never been simpler. This carry-on size is perfect for short trips and fits most airline overhead compartments. It measures 12 by 10.5 by 19 inches with wheels, making it the ideal travel companion. Featuring a cool shark design, this luggage adds a splash of personality to any trip. It's sure to be a hit with kids who love to explore. What we like. This Hardside spinner luggage is incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver with its 360-degree wheels. The adjustable handle is great for both kids and parents. If you prioritize ease of handling and a simple, functional design for your child's travels, this is a solid choice. What people say. Rolls super easy and not too heavy. It's well built and very sturdy. Rolls great. Really cute and durable. Fits a lot more than I expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.